Hello! So this time we're going to make some wooden rings. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I already did 2 videos about how to make wooden rings, but I promise you, this time is different because this time I won't use solid wood for making the rings. I'm going to use veneer. Looks delicious. And now it has to boil for about an hour. Okay, I had these strips cooking for about an hour, and now let's see if I can curl them around this flashlight without breaking them. Okay, now I need to let them dry completely. So now that the veneer is dry, you can see it pretty much kept the shape and it bends very easily without breaking. So now all I have to do is glue it together in the right size. So before I actually start gluing this together, I will sand the ends to a sharp point. So now here's the fun part. You have to find something that has the right diameter for the ring. In my case I use a tube of an old flashlight and I wrapped around a little bit of duct tape so that it has the right size. Well, now it's just a matter of adding a good amount CA glue. Without actually gluing yourself together. So this super glue dries very fast, so I wait a moment until the glue sets and then I continue. So I'm pretty happy that I managed to not glue myself to the ring. So now that the glue has dried, we just have to sand it down to its final dimension. And I'm going to use my disc sander, but you can also just use a piece of sandpaper, put it on the table and work your way down. Well, I'm going to make my life easier by using the lathe, but you can easily get by with just hand sanding. Well, the sanding is done, and I sanded it up to 600 grit and I gave the edges a slight round over just to make it look a little bit more pleasant. And now I'm going to finish it with some shellac. And I think I'm going to finish it up on the lathe because it's a little bit easier than doing it like so. the next ring I try something new, at least for me. This is some kind of epoxy putty used in plumbing. Now I have to mix this until it has a uniform color. And this takes some time. So I cut a small groove in this ring and now I will try to inlay this putty. Well, let's see if this will work. It's very, very sticky. And according to the manual, I have a working time for only 3 minutes. Okay, now let's wait.